bullet to my head. I took a picture for these memories. I remembered what you said when you said.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to For the Love of Running. Got a real exciting one in store for you guys this morning because I am up here in Jamestown getting ready to do the second week of the Jamestown Golf Course Parkrun. So super duper excited. Myself and Kelly, we were up at 5 AM this morning to venture out this way. It's a 2.5 hour drive from Adelaide, but I mean, you just look at this. I don't know with the sun whether you can see much, but basically it follows some of the holes of the golf course. It's like a zigzag pattern. I'll put the map up so you guys can have a bit of a look, but I especially can't wait to get the drone up. I think it's going to look absolutely unreal. And yeah, happy to be here for the second week. Love seeing all these new park runs popping up around the state. So if you haven't attended parkrun, you've got so many options now. It's such a good thing to get involved in. So yeah, find your local parkrun or even come out here to Jamestown, because why wouldn't you? It's beautiful out here. So anyway guys, I'm going to go do a little bit of a warm up and then I will grab my camera and I'll show you guys around the course. Let's do it.
Don't let go, don't give up, there's rest for your weary soul, and time to heal, yet still you fight with what you're told, and hold on to your scars and wounds and paths of old. And I said, ooh, what would you do if you could lose all your burdens? Yeah. And I said, ooh, my words are few, but I love you. Those words, please hear them. Yeah. I can't begin to comprehend what you've been through. I wish it was all just pretend, just an awful dream, but please don't let your heart grow dead, for God restores and brings
Alright guys, so there you have it. That is the Jamestown Parkrun done. Big thank you to all the volunteers who made this possible. It was only their second week and good result. I was able to snag the course record with an 18:30. So not what I set out to do it by any means, but you know, sort of when I knew I was close, I was like, might as well go for it. So yeah, no, it was a good course. There are a few hills that make it a little bit tricky, and you know, sort of anything, what I'd recommend to anyone coming up to do it is maybe just study the course map, and during a warm-up, or if you do a warm-up, maybe just go out and just sort of get a bit of a feel for the course, because you could possibly get lost if you're one of those people kind of like me that don't really pay attention a lot. Thankfully I had some people to run with, so big thank you to those, big thank you to all the volleys, big thank you to all of you guys watching my videos. Hope you enjoy this video as well, and hope you stick around to see more content. Got some really exciting stuff on the horizon. So yeah, thanks guys, and yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.